Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn alphabets. A for apple. B for baby. C for crow. D for doll. E for egg. F for fire. G for gun. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kangaroo. L for lamb. M for man. N for neck. O for orange. P for pen. Q for 12. R for rat. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for York. Z for zebra. Let's learn fruits. Mango. Watermelon. Banana. Apple. Papaya. Pomegranate. Guava. Jackfruit. Orange. Pineapple. Let's learn numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's learn animals. Lion. Tiger. Bear. Cat. Dog. Camel. Zebra. Giraffe. Monkey. Yak. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.